I still remember the moment that you first messaged me on Facebook. So I was unsure, hesitant, and I ignored you so many times. Yet, you never gave up. You patiently waited, and when I finally replied, I never could have imagined that one simple message would change everything.
When I saw you standing there under the stars, I knew it wouldn't be the last time.
My beloved groom, I hope you like my gift. I know you really love watches nowadays. This watch may not be as expensive as you'd like, but I know it will be a great start to your collection of watches. Yaan mo, kapag yumaman na tayo, we'll get you the ones that you want. I can't wait to see you. Let's enjoy our day. Love, Jam.
We could ride an endless story through the struggle and the glory. By your side, I will stay. We will never fade away. We could sail the skies together till our skin is old and weathered. By your side, I will stay. We will never fade away.
Jamila, sana magiging masaya ka sa buhay mo.
From the very start, I only want you be the best. And I wish you sana bigyan kayo ni Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala ng lahat ng mabuti sa inyo. At sana huwag kayo makakalimot sa kung saan kayo nanggaling.
Magpapamilya ka na. Gawin mo lahat ng best mo para maibigay sa pamilya mo. Yun lang ang may papayo ko sa'yo. At andyan si Choi. Kasama natin yun.
We could write an endless story through the struggle and the glory. By your side, I will stay. We will never fade.
Sa harap ng ating pamilya at ng ating mga kaibigan, ipinapangako ko sa iyo ang aking buong puso at kaluluwa. Ikaw ang aking gabay, aking sandigan, at biyayang ipinagkaloob sa akin.
There's a beauty that guides us like a fire in the night as the sun shines upon each new day.
Thank you! I hope masaya ka ngayong araw. Salamat sa pagmamahal, sa tiwala, sa oras mo. Mahal na mahal kita. See you later! Hey! Ano to? Ay, Relo! Ano? Paras kami ng gift. Relo din gift ko sa kanya.
I am blessed to have you by my side. I admire your strength, your kindness, and the way you love so completely. And I admire your family for embracing me with open arms.
There's a beauty that guides us like a fire in the night as the sun shines upon each new day. There's a beauty that guides us like a fire in the night as the sun shines upon each new day. There's a beauty that guides us like a fire in the night as the sun shines upon each new day.
I promise to build a home with you, a home filled with love, warmth, and faith. A home where our hearts will be united, where we'll face life trials together, and where we will raise our prayers to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, seeking His blessing in everything we do.
By your side, I will stay. We will never fade away.
Si JB, Jared,
Vuitton yan, Louis Vuitton. You're the best girl, you know.
Came in like a vision from the old west wind, like a bright new dream that I was stepping in. I saw your face and I knew it was a sign, and I still think about that moment all of the time. You know that I could never make this up. I found the reason I'm not giving it up. I felt the fever and I knew it was mine. Oh, I'm gonna love you for a long time.
Ipinapangako ko na mamahalin kitang tapat at wagas. Hindi lamang sa magagandang sandali, kundi lalo na sa oras ng pagsubok.
With every ounce of my heart, with all of my soul, and with the faith, I have it a last plan for us. I promise to love you today, tomorrow, and always.
Feel it in my body, know it in my mind. Oh, I'm gonna love you for a long time. I'm gonna love you for a long time. I'm gonna love you for a long time.
Itinuturing kitang kayamanan na walang katumbas at araw-araw kitang mamahalin. Ipapadama ko sa iyo kung gaano ka kahalaga. Naway gabayan tayo sa buhay ng puno ng pagmamahalan at respeto at pananampalataya. Mahal na mahal kita.
May Allah protect us and bless us as we walk through the beautiful journey together. That's all. Thank you.
Down.